welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. I thought today I would bring you out to my garden and show you just a little bit of cleanup. I thought we would do a fun, satisfying time lapse just so you can see kind of the back and forth and just see a bed going from a total mess to absolutely beautiful. Of course it will be empty. Planting starts in 2 to 3 weeks, so I've got to get everything pulled out of the garden, all the weeds, and get it ready, you know, for the new starts that I'm growing up in my grow room. My garden is a swamp. It is mud, it's water. I've got several inches of water through most of my garden, which means I cannot bring my wheelie bin out. It also means that everything that I'm pulling out, all these weeds and long roots, are very heavy. So I got my handy dandy bucket here. I have to like fill up my bucket and then I've got to huck it all the way outside the garden into my wheelie bin. Otherwise it would get stuck in the ground here. So there's going to be a lot of running back and forth, and you know, this kind of thing is really good for getting back into shape before the hard work of gardening begins. So I love this stage of gardening. It just helps me get reconditioned, and it's a beautiful sunshiny day and I can, you know, get some sun on my skin and get some vitamin D. I'm feeling a little, you know, pasty and I don't know, like pale from the winter time. And yeah, I think that's enough talking for today. This is just going to be one of those fun little videos for you. I don't really have anything profound to say, just wanted to bring you guys with me out into the garden today. Well, what do you guys think? Doesn't it look pretty? I think these beds look so nice when they're all weeded and like a blank canvas ready to create some art. I've got 6 more beds to go plus all the troughs, and I'm 3/4 of the way finished with pruning the grapes. I've already done the orchard, so that's all done. And yeah, I've got, I don't know, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks to get everything all done. Because I wear glasses, I try to take advantage of these sunshiny days and get as much done as possible. And I like to get done ahead of time, so there's just a little bit of wiggle room, you know, for doing other things and whatnot. I think I'm gonna go and take my sweatshirt off and get some sunshine on my skin and go do a couple more beds while I still have some daylight left. And I will see you guys again really soon.